How to create Centennial Bank online account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create yourself a Centennial Bank account online. Without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. At the top search word, type in www.my100bank.com. Once you do so, you will get landed onto its official website. On your right hand side, you will see a login option. Scroll below and click on Enroll Now just beside Not Registered. Then you will get landed onto this page. To sign up for this bank, type in your last name, type in your social security number. Once done, type in your date of birth, your email address, your account type if it's checking, HSA or savings, and once done, type in your account number. And click on to Find Me. As you do so, you will land onto your information page. Then you will also have to complete the verification, security, disclosures, and you're good to go. So make sure that you enter all your information correctly, reach to this phase, and you will have yourself your Centennial Bank account. This is how you will be able to do so. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.